Students, now you are going to learn chapter 4 Life Mathematics. Students, for this chapter you are going to learn profit, loss, discount, overhead expenses and GST. Okay, first you have to know what is the meaning of profit. Yes, profit, loss, discount, overhead expenses and GST, they are related definitions and formulas we are going to see now. Cost price. Cost price short form CP, cost price. Okay, the amount for which an article is bought is called a cost price. Okay, you have bought anything. Article in the sense, article means here the objects. Okay, is bought is called it's a cost price. It is CP, short form CP. Selling price, short form SP. The amount for which an article is sold. CP means it is bought. SP means sold. Is called as selling price. Profit or gain. When SP is more than the CP, SP is more than the CP, then there is a profit or gain. That is, compare with the cost price, selling price is more, there we get a profit. Okay, profit or gain is equal to SP minus CP. Formula, profit is equal to SP minus CP. This is the formula. Loss, when SP is less than CP, then there is a loss. For SP, compare with CP, SP is less amount, there we get loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Okay, it is to be noted the profit or loss is always calculated on cost price. Okay, it is a one word question. The profit or loss is always calculated on the cost price. You have to see some of the formulas. Okay, profit or gain percentage. Okay, some of the, once again you have to recall profit or gain. What is the formula? Profit SP minus CP, selling price minus cost price. Loss, what is the formula? Cost price minus selling price. Profit, profit or gain percentage, profit by CP into 100%. This is the formula. Loss percentage formula, loss by CP into 100%. Okay, selling price, profit, selling price is equal to 100 plus profit percentage by 100 into CP. Suppose in the given question, cost price and profit percentage is given, we have to use this formula for selling price. Cost price, suppose profit percentage and SP is given, you have to use this formula for CP. Okay, selling price 100 minus loss percentage by 100 into CP. Loss percentage and CP is given, we have to use this formula for SP. Cost price 100 by 100 minus loss percentage into SP. That is a formula. Okay, these are the formulas. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 formulas are there. You have to learn well. Okay, 4, 5, 6. 6 formulas are there. SP we have 2 formulas. CP we have 2 formulas. Okay. Now you are going to learn what is the meaning of discount. Discount means you know. Yes, students? Yes. Aadi festival we get a discount from some of our near shops. Yes. Yes, that is during the month of Aadi, the festival and the festival seasons, shopkeepers offer a certain percentage of rebate on the mocked price of the articles in order to increase the sales and also clear that old stock clear the old stock. This rebate is known as a discount. Okay. Yes, what is the meaning of discount? Yes, students? Yes, in some of the festival season, the shopkeepers offer some percentage of rebate on the marked price of the article. Okay, also this discount purpose is to clear the old stock. That is the purpose, to clear the old stock. So that is called a discount. Next, marked price. Marked price, another name is a tagged price. Yes, students? Yes, some of the big shops and departmental stores we see that every product is tagged with a card and a price marked on it. Yes, some of the shops. big shops. This price marked on the card is called a marked price. Yes, price marked on the card. That card they mention the amount, that is a marked price. Okay, so now selling price. Selling based on this marked price, the shopkeeper offers a certain percentage of discount. This price payable by the customer after deduction of discount is called the selling price. After the discount, we pay some percentage of amount, that is called the selling price. Okay, students. So selling price formula: marked price minus discount, or marked price is denoted by MP. Yes, SP is equal to MP minus discount. Okay, selling price is equal to MP minus discount. Next, you have to know about overhead expenses. Yes, students. Yes, traders, retailers and shopkeepers are involved in buying and selling of goods. Yes, sometimes when articles like machinery, furniture, electronic items, etc. are bought, a new expenses may happen on their repairs. Yes, repair charges, transportation and labor charges, etc. These expenses are included in the cost price. These expenses are included in the cost price, are called as overhead expenses. Okay, along with this cost price, some of the extra amount, that is some of the repair charges, or that labor charge, or that transportation charge, that all these charges include with this cost price, that is called that extra amount is called the overhead expenses. Okay, total cost price is equal to cost price plus overhead expenses. Okay, students. Yes, discount percentage is equal to discount by marked price into 100. This is the another formula. Okay, students. Yes, students, now you are going to learn GST. Yes, goods and service tax. GST, what is the meaning? Goods and service tax. Yes, this GST is the only common tax in India levied on the utmost all the goods and services meant for the domestic consumption. Yes, for this GST is remitted by the traders and the consumers alike, and is also one of the main sources of income to both the central and state governments. Through this GST, both for central government and state government gets income. Yes, there are three types of GST, that is central GST, state GST, integrated GST, union territories GST. Yes, that is CGST, SGST, IGST, then UTGST. It is union territories GST. Yes, the GST is shared by the central and state governments equally. Okay, so there are also many products like egg, honey, milk, salt, etc., which are exempted from GST. Yes, exempted from GST. Products like a diesel, petrol, etc., do not come under the GST. They are taxed separately. For petrol, diesel, taxes not comes under this GST, that has a separate department. Okay, the GST council has fitted over 1300 goods and 500 services under 4 tax slabs, namely 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. Students, if you need some more details related to this GST, you have to search in this internet. Search through internet and collect the information. Okay, students. Yes, for this is enough for our 8th standard topic. Okay, if you need any more details, you have to refer with this internet.